Wisdom coaching classes with Rahul Sir. Contact 6232529753. Class 11th Snapshot. The address. Chapter 2 Question 1. Have you come back? Said the woman. I thought that no one had come back. Does this statement give some clue about the story? If yes, what is it? Answer. Yes, this statement gives a clue about the story. During the war, the narrator's mother had given her valuable belongings to Mrs. Darling for safekeeping. After the narrator's mother died, Mrs. Darling thought that no one would return to claim those belongings. Therefore, she refused to recognize the narrator and did not allow her to enter the house. The statement reveals Mrs. Darling's greed and selfishness. Question 2. The story is divided into pre-war and post-war times. What hardships do you think the girl underwent during these times? Answer. Pre-war time. During the pre-war period, the narrator lived in another city and occasionally visited her mother. Her mother was always worried because of the threat of war. She feared losing her home and valuable belongings and was anxious about their safety. Post-war time. After the war, the narrator had lost her mother and her old home. She went to 46 Marconi Street to see her mother's belongings, but Mrs. Darling refused to recognize her and did not let her enter. When she finally saw the belongings, they reminded her of her painful past. Thus, she suffered both physical and emotional hardships. Question 3. Why did the narrator of the story want to forget the address? Answer. The narrator wanted to forget the address because it reminded her of her mother, her old home, her belongings and the painful memories of her life before and during the war. She realized that she could never get her old life back. Therefore, she decided to forget the address and move on with her life. Question 4. The address is a story of human predicament that follows war. Comment. Answer. War brings death, destruction, loss and suffering. In the address, the narrator loses her mother, her home and her belongings because of the war. After the war, she tries to recover her mother's possessions but finds that they have lost their emotional value. Mrs. Darling's greed and selfishness make her suffering even worse. Thus, the story presents the physical and emotional suffering of people after war and shows how war destroys not only lives and property but also memories and relationships. Thank you for watching.